So hello everyone, in this video we are gonna learn how to set up Google Ad conversion tracking. So first of all, this is Google Ads overview. So right now we will set up conversion tracking for this website. So we will do conversion tracking by Google Tag Manager. So first of all, we have to integrate our Tag Manager with website backend. So how you can connect Tag Manager with website backend? You can search on YouTube. There are a lot of videos. So it's an easy process. So I am speaking shortly. So first of all, this is a Tag Manager container, browser container. This is tag ID, I mean GTM container ID. So you just need to go your website backend and click on plugin. Here a plugin named GTM4WP. Just click on settings. So just copy the ID and paste Google Tag Manager ID here, and then container code just select on and then save change. Okay, so your container will be connected with your website. So if we go to the website, so this is our Google Ad overview. For conversion tracking, we have to go to goals and summary. New conversion action. So this is an e-commerce website, so we have to create conversion for page view, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. Okay, so first of all, we are gonna create purchase conversion action. Here just select on website, so we'll do it manually. Conversion setting, we'll take purchase conversion as primary conversion, so we'll select primary conversion. This is an e-commerce, so that's why we'll use different values. Count for the e-commerce website, you have to count every you have to select every option, because every purchase is an event for the e-commerce. So use enhanced conversion, so click on this for enhanced conversion, click on done and save and continue. Okay, we will use Google Tag Manager. Just finish here and then go to the purchase conversion, select purchase. So if you scroll down and then tag setup, use Google Tag Manager. So here we can find the conversion ID. So for Google Ads, every conversion ID is same, so that's why you can make a constant variable for Tag Manager, because this conversion ID you have to use multiple times. So go to the Tag Manager and create new. Okay, first of all, we have to create a constant variable and new constant paste. So here we can say conversion Google Ad conversion ID. Okay, save. Okay, so now we have to create a tag which is called Google Tag. So if we select Google Ads, then here we can find Google Tag. So where we can find this tag, we have to go to Google Ads and install your tag. This is your tag. Okay. Oh, why I'm not okay. I'm gonna download a snippet from here. Just copy this number that start with AWO. This is your tag ID. So go to the container and paste. Okay, here initial also just copy this. We have to select all the page. Okay, done. So this is Google tag for Google Ads. So we just G ads Google tag, save. Then we have to create conversion linker, because for Google Ad, Google recommend to add a conversion linker for all the page. So go to the all page, all page ad, and we can rename it GAds conversion linker tag. Okay, so this is our base tag for the Google Ads. Right now we are gonna create our main purchase conversion for the Google Ads. So use Google Ads. This is our conversion ID. So go for the new. Sorry, we have to select Google Ads. Google Ads. So we have to Google Ads conversion tracking. Here is the conversion ID. So this is our conversion ID. So we made a constant variable. We just call here conversion Google Ads conversion ID and the conversion level. See, Google tag found this container, the first ad. They found the tag. So this is conversion level. Just copy and paste. So we in this part we have to add some parameter like conversion value, transaction ID, currency code. So how we can get this parameter? Just okay, so this is our purchase conversion, so we have to trigger it on purchase, custom event name purchase. So we can name it purchase trigger. Purchase trigger, no problem. Here you can give any name, whatever you want. Just save. Google Ads conversion. Here the purchase tag. Okay, save. So here we have to add 3 parameters, right? So we have to add 3 parameters. So whenever we'll create a tag on a tag manager, first of all we have to publish it, then we'll preview it. So just preview, connect. So if we select a product, okay, view item, and then add to cart. Okay, add to cart and then view cart. Create checkout. Okay, so checkout and checkout, place an order. And purchase. Okay, finally our purchase has done. So if we click on data layer, so we can find this parameter, like what we need. If we go to the tag manager, go to the tag, so we need conversion value, transaction ID, currency. currency code. So if we go to the tag assistant, so first of all we have to need conversion value. So where we can find value, here is our main parameter. Just copy and go to the tag manager. We have to create some variable. Go to the variable and create a new variable. Go to the it's a data layer variable, e-commerce. Then if you go to the tag assistant, value is under e-commerce object, right? So when we'll take some parameter that under the object, we have to use dot. Okay, so we'll use dot. So first of all we have to add value, okay, done. So here we will name is DLV e-commerce value. Just save it. And what we need more is if we go to the tag, if we go to, here is our transaction ID. So we will have to take transaction ID e-commerce dot transaction ID, the same position. We just copy. So we have to need more currency code. Okay, currency code. So make variable and the total variable e-commerce dot transaction ID. So we will just here DLV transaction ID. Save, and if just make the e-commerce value and copy. This is e-commerce dot currency. Oh no, just have to remember currency. Save. So if we go to the tag and Google at purchase, then we just have the conversion value, transaction ID, and currency code. Okay, so just save it and submit it. Now you have to just click on preview. Is this working or not? Then you can continue. And if you select a product, add to cart, view cart, and checkout. Place an order. So if we go to the tag assistant, so our purchase, Google Ads purchase tag has fired successfully. And if we go to the Google Ads, if we click on summary, so here our purchase tag so this is showing misconfigured, but that will be active after a few times, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes later, that will be on active. So this is how you can set up Google Ad conversion tracking.